So this is Euro dollar analysis for Wednesday, the 7th of February. Now, let's have a look what happened to prices and where prices may likely go. So here on the 6th, we had prices coming towards this 23.62, this weekly pivot. We did see the buy side momentum taking us up to the 200 period moving average. Up at the 200 period moving average, we've had a rejection previously, and that's pretty much what we saw. We saw another rejection of the 200 period moving average. So style side momentum coming to the market, trade below this 23.62 all the way down towards a 400 period moving average. We even trade below that, and we've invalidated this previous level that we did see some buy side momentum coming to the market in around the 23.37 or so. Had price come down towards that 23.16, 23.14, from which we saw the buy side momentum taking us back above this 23.62. Now, if we do pull back from here and possibly back down towards this 23.62, or we do maintain the bullishness that we are seeing at present, potentially we have a inverted head and shoulders, which is a bullish price chart pattern. So we have a shoulder there, head, shoulder, potentially if we continue to hold this 23.62. If we did trade below the 23.62 again in around the 400 period moving average, we might find support, but it's not ideally what I'd like from an inverted head and shoulders. So either we maintain the current buying momentum, or if we do find further support at 23.62, we'll be looking for prices to head back up towards the 200 period moving average. We'll see how prices are acting around this 200 period moving average in around this area here. Let's just see where that is, and in around the 24.22 level. A successful break from which we are looking for price head up towards the 400 period moving average on the weekly time frame of 24.50. A break from there, we are looking for price head back up towards that psychological level of 125 on euro dollar. Now, don't anticipate prices moving much beyond, say, the 125, as currently we're at 23.83. But if there is sufficient market volatility, I suppose it's important to look at the other levels. Now, the very next level after 25, we are looking all the way up at 26.76. So I wouldn't anticipate prices definitely not getting all the way up there. So beyond 25, we'll see our prices act around the 25.50 and 26 level. Now, if prices do turn around and we do not find support at the 23.62 for the potential inverted head and shoulders bullish price pattern, we are looking for prices to head back down towards possibly the 400 period moving average. Currently sitting in around the 23.50. We might see some buy side momentum coming to the market from there. Our successful break from which we'll be looking for price head down towards that 22.87. Weekly pivot. If we don't find support at the 22.87, again, we'll be looking for price head down towards that 22.23. Can't anticipate prices moving much beyond the 22.23 to the downside. I wouldn't anticipate 21.78 coming to focus. So possibly looking at 22.23 being the far end of the range if we somewhat invalidate the 23.62 and the 400 period moving average, as well as the 22.87. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the euro dollar analysis. Thanks for watching.